Archer Aviation is an eVTOL company that I previously talked about on my channel. It's going to go public on the New York Stock Exchange via a SPAC business combination with Atlas Crest Investment Corp, ticker ACIC. Full disclosure, I do have a position in Atlas Crest. At the time of my first video, this was my favorite eVTOL company due to its $1 billion contract with United Airlines. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest seemed to agree, as they were also heavily buying ACIC stock at that time. But since then, it's been revealed that Wisk Aero is suing Archer for alleged patent infringement and trade secret theft. Soon after that news, ARK Invest stopped buying ACIC and even sold some shares. But over the past few weeks, ARK has been heavily buying back shares of ACIC pretty much every day. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 potential reasons why I think that ARK might be buying this SPAC. Right after I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Learn to invest like a wolf at your own risk. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Wolves of Investing. My name is Donnie Nguyen and I'm the founder of Wolves of Investing. If you're new, my channel is primarily about investing in the stock market. If you want to learn how to achieve financial freedom through investing, be sure to click on the subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't yet. And please remember to drop a like on this video if you enjoy it, as it truly helps out the channel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as we can see, the ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ticker ARKQ, now has over 2.9 million shares of the Atlas Crest SPAC, and it's over 1% of the portfolio. The first reason that I think ARK has been buying is the most straightforward reason, that they just believe in Archer Aviation and they aren't too worried about the Wisk Aero lawsuit. Aside from the lawsuit, Archer is very well positioned to be a leader in the eVTOL space, along with a few other companies such as Joby and Lilium. According to this TechCrunch article, an Archer spokesperson stated that they have no reason to believe any proprietary Wisk technology ever made its way to Archer, and they intend to defend themselves vigorously. So one idea is that ARK has done its due diligence and agrees with Archer Aviation on this matter. So as an investor in this SPAC via the warrants, I do hope that this is the case and that the Wisk Aero lawsuit has absolutely no impact on Archer. So that's the first potential reason that I think ARK has been buying up shares. The second reason that I think ARK has been buying ACIC is simply that it's trading well below the amount of cash that the SPAC has in its trust. Over the past few weeks, ACIC has generally been trading for less than $9.90. So if you're new to SPACs, what that means is that they're essentially paying less than $9.90 for $10. Anytime before the business combination, this gives what's known as the $10 SPAC floor. After the business combination, this $10 floor goes away. From what I've observed, SPACs usually complete their business combination in about 3 to 6 months after they announce. This deal was announced in February, so let's say this deal closes less than 3 months from now. By picking up shares at a discount, ARK could potentially redeem the shares for $10 and scoop up a little over 1% in less than 3 months for an annualized rate of return of 4%. That's an excellent rate of return for an interest rate play, given that 1-year treasuries are paying close to 0%. So the second reason that I think ARK might be buying is simply as an interest rate play. This doesn't make a lot of sense given ARK's track record of buying companies and holding them for several years. But I do think it's a possibility and a very savvy investment tactic. The third reason that I think ARK might be buying up ACIC is similar to reason number 2. But instead of a pure interest rate play, they might be using the beaten down price to give them time to research the company and the Wisk Aero lawsuit. For instance, let's say the deal closes in 3 months. If the lawsuit is settled before the deal closes and it's favorable for Archer, then the stock price may rise and ARK's investment would be a winner, at least on paper in the short term. However, if the lawsuit is unfavorable or the risk appears to be too high, ARK still has the option to cash out for $10 per share before the business combination. If that's the case, it's a very smart move as there's virtually zero risk of loss before the business combination, but there's still potential for upside. And that's one of the unique features about SPAC common stock prior to a business combination that makes them such an attractive investment vehicle. It doesn't matter how bad the market is or even how bad the target company is. Investors can be fairly confident that they'll be able to redeem their shares for a minimum of $10 per share before the business combination, barring anything unusual happening. All right, so if you want more insights into my portfolios, or if you just want to support the channel, check out my Patreon to get all of my buy and sell alerts from my Fidelity All SPAC portfolio. There are also higher tiers available to unlock more features. And there's also access to my private Patreon Discord. So be sure to check out my Patreon. A link is in the video description. And as always, a huge thank you to the awesome patrons that have already joined. And I also run a free public Discord with over 500 members. It's the most awesome community to talk about SPACs and other stocks. It's absolutely free, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. And if you haven't signed up for M1 Finance yet, be sure to check out my referral link in the video description. We both get $30 when you sign up and deposit $100. And if you haven't signed up for Webull yet, be sure to check out my link in the video description for information on how you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. All right, so let me know what you think about Archer Aviation and what other SPACs you're watching. Drop me a line in the comments. Be sure to leave a like on this video before leaving. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.